Now let us solve this problem. Solve the recurrence relation an plus 1 minus 2an is equal to 2 power n for n is greater than or equal to 0 with a naught equal to 1. Here the right hand side value, that is f of n value, is not equal to 0. So we can call this recurrence relation as a non-homogeneous recurrence relation. If right hand side is 0, then it is a homogeneous recurrence relation. Whereas if right hand side is not equal to 0, then it is a non-homogeneous recurrence relation. In order to determine the order, simply we have to subtract the lower subscript from the minimum subscript from the maximum subscript. So n plus 1 minus n. So n will be cancelled. So 1. So we can say that the given recurrence relation is first order non-homogeneous recurrence relation. We know how to calculate the general solution for the non-homogeneous recurrence relation. The formula is an equal to an power h plus an power p. So h means homogeneous solution. So first let us calculate an power h. So an power h means simply we have to substitute 0 in place of f of n. So this 2 power n will become 0. So now the recurrence relation is an plus 1 minus 2 into an equal to, simply we have to substitute 0. Why? Because it is a homogeneous recurrence relation. So we can write this as an plus 1 equal to 2 into an. So here what is the constant part? The constant part is 2. We know the general solution. The general solution for first order homogeneous recurrence relation is an equal to c power n into a naught. This is the formula. So an equal to, what is c value? 2. So 2 power n into a naught. So this is nothing but homogeneous part. So the first part is calculated, that is an power h. So this is an power h. Let it be equation number 1. Let it be equation number 2. Now we need to calculate an power p. So what is an power p? This is nothing but this function f of n part. So 2 power n. So here f of n is in the form f of n equal to alpha into b power n. So this is in this form where alpha is equal to 1. Why? Because we can write 2 power n as 1 into 2 power n, whereas b value is 2. What is b value? Alpha is equal to 1. B value is given in the problem. So b is equal to 2. B is equal to 2. Here b value is 2. This 2 is nothing but a part of the characteristic roots of this problem. Here what is the characteristic root of this problem? 2. Here we have b is nothing but 2 value. So this 2 value is present in characteristic root of the homogeneous solution. So now the general solution for this one is an equal to, general solution is a naught into this b power n into n power m. So when we have to use this formula, we have to use this formula when this 2, so when this value, so that means when b value is a part of the characteristic root. So now let us see what is the general solution. N equal to a naught into, so b. So what is b value? B value is given in the problem. B value is 2. So 2 power n into n power m is nothing but multiplicity. How many times this b value occurred in the characteristic root? So here b value occurs only once. Why? Because this is a first order homogeneous recurrence relation only. Whereas if it is a second order homogeneous recurrence relation, then we may get two similar values. Okay. So now n power, so the m is nothing but multiplicity of this b. So how many times this b present in the characteristic root? Only one time. So n power 1. So a naught into 2 power n into n power 1 is nothing but n. So this is an value. Now we have to substitute an value in the given recurrence relation. Okay. In the given recurrence relation. So what is the given recurrence relation? An plus 1. So that means in place of n we have to write an plus 1. So a naught into 2 power n plus 1. into, in place of n we have to write n plus 1 minus 2 into an value. What is an value? A naught into 2 power n into n is equal to 2 power n, is equal to 2 power n. Here we can write this as a naught into a power m plus n. We can write this as a power m into a power n into n plus 1 minus 2 into a naught into 2 power n into n equal to 2 power n. Here our target is we have to produce a naught value. Okay. So if we observe these two terms, then what is common? 2 is present in both the terms. This term 2 is present, as well as a naught is present, 2a naught, as well as this 2 power n is also present. So 2a naught 2 power n is common in both the terms. Then the remaining value is, here the remaining value is n plus 1 minus, here the remaining value is n, is equal to 2 power n. So 2 power n will be cancelled. N plus 1 minus n means this n will be cancelled. So this is nothing but 2a naught into, so 1 minus 0 is nothing but 1 only. So 2a naught equal to, here what is the value? 1 is the value. So what is a naught value? A naught equal to 1 by 2. A naught equal to 1 by 2. Now we have to substitute a naught value in this equation. So this is nothing but that particular solution value, a n power p. So after substituting a naught value, what is the solution? A n power p equal to a naught into 2 power n into n by 2. What is a naught value? 1 by 2. So we can write this as 2 power n into n by 2. 2 power n into n by 2. Let it be equation number 3. So now we have a n power h as well as a n power p. Now we have to substitute a n power h, a n power p in equation number 1. So let us substitute that. So a n equal to, what is a n power h? 2 power n into a naught plus what is a n power p? 2 power n into n by 2. N by 2. In the, suppose if a naught is not given in the problem, we can stop the process now. But here a naught is given. This is a first order homogeneous recurrence relation, so only a naught value will be sufficient. Whereas if it is a second order recurrence relation, then a naught and a1 values will be given. If it is a third order recurrence relation, then a naught, a1, a2 will be given. In the problem, a naught is specified as 1. So now let us substitute a naught value. So a n equal to 2 power n into, what is a naught? A naught is given as 1. So 2 power n into 1 plus 2 power n into n by 2. So n equal to 2 power n is common. So 1 plus 2 power n is common, n by 2. So this is the general solution for solving this problem. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, as well as share the channel with your friends. Thanks for watching.